Hi everyone, this is Santani from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, right. I was wondering what that light was flashing, but I mean, that is the reflection of the light here. Okay, so very quickly, I've released this kit already, but I know that people do like seeing seeing the kit as a video. So here we go. This is my latest kit. I think it's called Christmas Joy. It is on my Ko-fi store and my Etsy store with a 25% discount. It is a 28-page kit. It has 10 main pages, 8 background pages, and 10 ephemera pages. So let's go. All right, so I don't think I have them in any particular order. As I just, printed here and there, I just stuck it in. So please forgive me if they're a little mixed up. Okay, so that's page number 1. So I've taken 2 color themes predominantly here. They are the browns and the greens, okay, or the browns and creams and greens to make up the skit. Okay, so, and blues. Sorry, browns, greens, blues, and creams. Okay, so here's the very first kit. I looked at the snowman and I realized that I had blue in my kit. So this is the first page, or you're lost, it doesn't really matter. Okay, and this is a beautiful outside theme. I love that, love it. Okay, then the next one is about baking. These 2 little children, brother and sister, and they baking over here, and some nice cookies in a jar. Okay, right. This is a very pretty page. And then we've got what's happening on the outside. Okay, and what's happening on the inside. So we've got some Christmas treats over there, and a lady decorating the tree over here. Okay, and then we've got the snowman, scene. Just beautiful colors involved in this, I must say. Yeah, and then we've got the Christmas market happening with the kiddies around as well. Yeah. So I think that's the 4th page, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I printed it again. There was a reason. I don't know why. Can't remember. I didn't like something and I changed it. When I printed it out the first time, I didn't like something, so I changed it. I think this is definitely my favorite page of the kit. So I really like that. Christmas scene inside the house. And lots on baking. I noticed that I actually included, because Christmas baking is beautiful, right? So that's that. And then more snowman outside, and also outside and inside we got some fake snowmen inside as well. Okay, and this is another page from the kit. It's a main page, so I lightened everything so you can actually write in it. And there's the other main page as well over here. Really like how these pages turned out. So here's that. And then there's your background pages. It just gave me a blue one to match with the blues. Well, some of the blues. Okay, I didn't want to make it too much of a royal blue, because that I didn't want for Christmas. Okay, and then more background pages. I like to keep a little on the traditional side for Christmas, like that. And then also here some polka dots. Look, in those same colors. I kept them in the same colors over here as well. Some gifts. Now I printed this borderless, okay, so they would look a bit different when you are doing it, if you're not printing borderless. Here is just some cookies that I added to the page. Snowflakes here lots of different snowflakes. Here as well, snowflakes. All right, so that's your 8 background pages, and these are your what's the word now, your ephemera pages. Now I can tell you what happened to these last 2. My printer doesn't like 150 GSM, so I got to push it in, and I didn't push it in properly, so it leaves all that space and then prints over here. So this is not how the page is designed. This is how just my printer printed it. You'll see the last 2 like that, and then you'll see everything else fine when I just tap it in for it to, you know, take on the feed. Okay, so that's one. Got beautiful coin pockets over there that we can use, like even this one over here. So I don't think it cut off much on mine, but yeah, just so that you know. Sorry if you're looking at it and you're wondering, oh my, that design doesn't look right. Right, so then now you can see they centered correctly on the page. Over here, that's a nice big envelope you got there, going for you. Some tags over here as well. I've given you a lot of envelopes because they're harder to actually make on your own. So I've given you quite a bit of envelopes. Tags, you know, tags, you can cut out specific pieces from the pages and use them. Yeah, so these why are they upside down? There we go. Tags. Did I show that to you upside down? Let me just see. Yeah, so that's how it looks. Okay, yeah. The other one, yeah, sorry, that's how that one looks. Okay. Sorry. I didn't even realize they were upside down. So there's more tags here, the medium tags and the tinier tags. Okay, and then another envelope, some folk sticker kind of cards, and a nice belly band or a tuck. Okay, my labels, I use these nowadays quite a bit, circles, and that's a file folder there. Okay, a small one. Right, so that's that. And here I've got pockets. I kept them quite plain because, you know, that's when you can use all your little pieces to decorate the pockets and stuff like that. Okay, here's the large tags. They're quite nice and big. I like them when they're big like this. They fill up the page nicely. And then your journal cards. You've got 2 that are portrait and 2 landscape. Okay, or 2 vertical and 2 horizontal. So that is your kit. It's 28 pages of deliciousness, and you can see that it is joy because there's a lot of Christmas baking in it, and snowman and stuff like that. The reason why I went with these colors is because on my shop you will find the traditional red and green kit. So I thought this year I'll go with something different. And the other one that's coming out is a gold and green one. I'm halfway through designing it. That will come out, and I'll probably try to do a Bible study kit with the normal red and green. So that's it, ladies and gents. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you feel that you need to purchase this kit and you like it, you can find it on my Etsy and you can find it on my Ko-fi stores. And I'm going to say it again without putting any other, you know, digital creator down, but really my kits are really worth the while. In terms of, I give you everything to work with, 28 pages of, you know, stuff to work with. They're not sold separately. They sold as a full and complete kit. Just gonna read the reviews, and they are extremely well priced. So if you don't know it by now, my kits are well under 100 rand. Okay, and that is about what, $4, $5 with this the full price on it. And I think when you with the 25% markdown on it, yeah, it's like $3 something for this entire kit. Okay, I can't give you the real figures, and those are US dollars, because yeah, and then South Africans it's about 85 rand or something like that, or 80 or 75 rand or so. I can't remember because the way it's marked on Kofi, I have to use dollars. Okay, so I can't quite remember. Anyway, go and look at it, and I promise you they are beautiful digital kits over there, along with the normal colors or the traditional colors, if I'd say so, and they are even cheaper than this kit. So just have a look over there. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you all for your support. I so appreciate you. It is only through you and your support that I am able to continue doing what I do. It just helps me along to buy my craft supplies and stuff like that. But I think I think you know that. I think you know that about me. So ta-ta, and have an absolutely wonderful day, and have a blessed day and a blessed week until I see you again. Bye-bye.